What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to have a quick review of Realme Buds Air Bluetooth earphones. We will talk about its design, features, specs and all of its pros and cons. So let's start it. Inside the retail box of Realme Buds Air, you will find the charging case along with the earphones, a USB Type-C cable and a quick start guide. The design of Realme Buds Air is very much like any other earbuds. It comes with two microphones. We got the optical sensor that detects a user is wearing the earphones or not. The left and right are clearly marked on the earphones and the shiny ring at the end of the earbuds looks beautiful as well. At the bottom we got the connector points for the charging case and on the outer side we got the touch sensor that can be used to perform various actions on Realme Buds Air. The open fit design of Realme Buds Air is very comfortable. You can use it for listening music for hours without feeling any discomfort. One single Realme Buds Air weighs just 4.2 grams and even though it comes with open fit design, it provides nice grip and you can use it to listen music during physical activities. It comes with a wireless charging case that is very minimalistic in terms of design. We got just a USB Type-C port, a functional button, a hidden LED indicator. The case can be charged wirelessly, so if you run out of juice, you can just use your flagship smartphone with reverse wireless charging capability to charge the case and so the Realme Buds Air on the go if you need it. Now in terms of hardware specs and performance, it comes with R1 chip. We got Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity and this combination provides a stable connection while using the Realme Buds Air. It also comes with a dedicated gaming mode that is claimed to provide even better and lower latency while playing games. But even when I used the Realme Buds Air for playing games without using the gaming mode, the performance was brilliant and there was no lagging in audio transmission from the smartphone to the earbuds. The touch controls are easy to use and they work perfectly each time, and if you feel like customizing the action that you would like them to perform, then you can use the Realme Link app to change the operation of the touch control on Realme Buds Air. One drawback here is that even though each of the Realme Buds Air support the touch commands, we got only 4 different options to use with them. So even though we could possibly have 6 options, Realme provides only 4 options and controls that you can use on Realme Buds Air using the touch commands. The smart in-ear detection works perfectly, and once you remove the earbuds from your ear, it pauses the music, and once you put them back, then it starts playing music by itself. The pairing process is very easy, and once the Realme Buds Air are paired with a smartphone, each time you open the case, they get connected with the smartphone by themselves. Talking about the audio quality, Realme Buds Air comes with 12mm driver. The audio output is quite balanced, even though Realme mentions that the Realme Buds Air comes with a big bass driver and because of that you are going to get a huge amount of bass. That's not the case. The audio is very balanced, so the bass is not dominating. Instead of that, you will get the opportunity to adjust the audio of Realme Buds Air depending on your requirements, and this is a nice thing actually, because you can play with equalizer and you can adjust the audio quality, the audio output depending on your preference, whether you would like to go with more amount of bass, treble, low, mids or high. But again, if you are looking for an earbud with great amount of bass, then Realme Buds Air is lacking a bit here. The battery life of Realme Buds Air is good but not that great. It provides nearly 2.5 hours of battery life in one charging, but using the case you can charge it nearly 4 times more, so you will get around 14 to 15 hours of battery life with charging case. But it would be nice if Realme could provide a bit better battery life on the Buds Air. We got 2 microphones on Realme Buds Air and they work perfectly for voice calling. Buds Air comes with environment noise cancellation and it contributes while making voice call to provide a clear audio to the recipient. Overall, Realme Buds Air is a nice earphone. It comes with very low latency. The autoplay pause Wear detection works perfectly as well. You can perform multiple actions using the touch commands. The battery performance is moderate. The audio quality is nice. It lacks a bit of bass but provides more balanced audio output. It comes with wireless charging case along with a USB Type-C port, so you can charge it the way you want. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.